The statement P says that good mobile phones are not cheap. Good mobile phones are not cheap. It means that for every mobile phone mobile, if mobile are not cheap, if mobile is good, then mobile is not cheap, is not cheap. So we will write it in a statement for every device X, every mobile X. If mobile is good, it implies mobile is not cheap. In the same way, we will write statement Q. Statement Q says that cheap mobile phones are not good. For every mobile, if mobile phones are cheap, implies that mobile is not good. For every mobile, if mobile phone is cheap, we are denoting cheap mobile by CX and we are denoting good mobile by GX. It implies that it is not good. As we have used logic for writing statement P, the same logic is used to write statement Q in the similar fashion. So L means P implies Q, M means Q implies P, N is saying that P and Q are equivalent to each other. So which of the options are correct? Let's we try to simplify Q statement. As we know that P imply Q is equivalent to not P or Q. Use this concept here. For all X, not CX or not GX. Since our operation is commutative, we can write this here and this here equivalent to for every X, not GX or not CX. It is equivalent to, right here, for every X, GX imply not CX. It is just equal to statement P, that is equal to P. P and Q are equivalent, means P by imply Q. If P by imply Q means P imply Q and Q imply P. So Q imply P, M is correct. P imply Q, L is correct. P and Q are equivalent, N is also correct. Answer is D.